Yo, what's up guys? Today I am going to Avant-Garde to check on the progress of my Silvia. That is actually a little bit more before we can complete the car. So I'm gonna head over right now to see what kind of updates can I get, and then I'll show you guys the progress and what's the problem that we're facing right now, and probably we could crank the engine as well. So stay tuned guys, update you soon. So guys, I'm arriving at Avant-Garde, so I'm gonna look for a parking space, get James to give me the data and the info on what's the progress of my car, then I'll update you guys. So guys, I'm update on the car. First of all, the engine bay, all the hoses are connected. Blow off valve, the vacuum hose is very neatly hidden. This has been cleaned up. Fuel rail is in, injectors are in, so my bar has been painted, repainted to blue, and I guess that it's all for the engine bay. But yeah, they were having some problem with the aircon, so at the moment the dash is out again, but they managed to solve the problem on the aircon relay. So they're going to tidy up all the wiring, reinstall the dash, and we can probably start the car and it will be ready for tuning. So guys, that's the update for my S15, and damn, it's getting very close. So if I get any more new updates, I'm gonna update you guys. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon for more S15 updates.